Production lines are the heartbeat of modern manufacturing, driving efficiency and precision at every stage of assembly. For manufacturers, consistency, accuracy, and real-time feedback are essential to producing top-quality products, and that's where Interface's sensor technologies make all the difference. Interface's advanced measurement solutions deliver accurate, reliable data on key production parameters such as temperature, pressure, speed, and especially force. By integrating our force sensors and load cells into automated systems, production engineers can monitor performance, optimize operations, and detect potential issues before they cause downtime. These connected solutions bring the power of IoT, AI, and big data directly to the factory floor, creating smarter, more responsive manufacturing environments. Interface's force sensors are the backbone of these systems. Interface load cells are used for process monitoring, quality control, predictive maintenance, and automation, helping engineers measure torque, compression, and weight as components move through each step of production and distribution. They ensure precision in robotic assembly, pressing and forming operations, material handling, and even conveyor weighing. Interface delivers the quality and durability manufacturers trust. Our standard, engineered to order, and OEM solutions are powering the next generation of smart factories, helping industries achieve peak performance, safety, and efficiency with every product that rolls off the line.